Hey friends, how's it going? Y'all, guess what? Today's the day. It is time for Winnie the Pooh. Y'all, everybody's so excited. And listen, there's a few things, let me tell you. Well, first, you can type the word Pooh, Pooh, and I'll send you the information so you can go check it out. And I see several of y'all have already placed your order. Now, remember, if you get the bundle, there's an exclusive design included with that. That is if you get the bundle. Now, let me find my notes. Y'all know I can't remember everything. Okay, and listen, if you're a Perks member and or designer, if you place a $75 order, you're going to get an extra, you're going to get some extra design dollars. And you know, we like those, right? And if you spend $125, you're going to get 30 extra design dollars. Now, those do expire, but they are awesome to have. And can somebody check the word Pooh, Pooh, and make sure it works? Y'all, I'm trying to look at my computer. All kinds of stuff. Hey, Kathy. Hey, Linda. And like I said, several of y'all have already got that exclusive bundle. And I cannot wait to get mine. Okay, yeah, those extra design dollars that you get for those different size orders, they're awarded tomorrow. Good morning. And then they expire on April 30th. So we all love getting something extra, right? Let me see. And y'all, I hopped on here to let y'all know first. Pooh, is Pooh working for anybody? Everybody, I hope. Uh-oh, it's not working. Okay, hold up. Hold up. Oh, my goodness. All right. Maybe I don't have it turned on. Look, everybody that's saying Pooh, you might have to say it again. All right, I see what the problem is. Hold on with your Poohs. All right, everybody that typed the word Pooh, there goes Barry on the golf club, blowing his horn. All right, right now, everybody that typed the word Pooh, Pooh, type it again. I got it turned on. And look, I don't know why on this very important day when everybody is wanting, look, everybody's so excited. I see it's working now. Look at Brenda. She got 2. It's working now, Brenda. Hey, Marilyn. Anyway, I'm so excited. And y'all, the heat transfers are gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So pretty. In fact, I ordered some more of those shirts. You know that shirt that I showed y'all with the leopard print? I think it's a couple of dollars on sale. So, oh, Gina, thank you. But listen, if you type Pooh and you didn't get the information, hey, Bonda, I figured you'd be the first one to grab yours. I know Bonda loves Pooh. I know Debbie loves Pooh. Thanks, Barbara. Thanks, Fran. And listen, Jenny is coming over here, and we're going to be live later on. Probably, I'd say by 11:30. We're going to be crafting with our cutouts. Craft alone box. Oh, hopefully it's working for everybody. And look, if you hadn't got yours, get them. That bundle, it is exclusive. So if you want that special design, I think it's got the fonts on it. So stinking cute. Good morning. If y'all are just hopping on, it is like, I think it's going to be like a record-breaking day. I think people are more excited about Winnie the Pooh than Mickey Mouse and any of the rest. So y'all let me know in the comments if y'all are more excited. Look, Ruth Ann got it. Okay. Hey, Kim. Hey, Carol. So I got to know of all of our collaborations, which one's been y'all's favorite? We love them all. And look, while you're over there, we have got The Devil Wears Prada too. I love that movie. It's so funny. Hey, Nona. All right, guys, I'm going to hop off here. I'm going to get ready for Jenny. I've been just sitting out here on the porch enjoying this nice weather. I do have one of those egg swings. I'm about to go out there and swing and have another cup of coffee. And, oh, Sandy, it didn't. It's working for everybody else. I will send you the link if you don't have it already. But anyway, oh, and listen, if the site gets bogged down or something showing that it might be out of stock, just refresh it. Refresh it. Refresh it. All right? All right, guys. Love y'all. See y'all later. Be on the lookout for me and Jenny. Hey, Susie. We'll see you in a little bit. So comment Pooh for the info. Bye, y'all.